In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app theme in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to make ClickUp look and feel the way you prefer, whether that's easier on your eyes, better for focus, or simply more your style. First, open your ClickUp account, launch the desktop app, or head to the ClickUp website and sign in so you're on your main workspace. Give it a moment to load your tasks and spaces. Starting from the home screen makes the next steps straightforward and ensures you can see changes as they happen. Next, click your profile. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar or initials. That's your quick access to account options. If your window is small, you may see a condensed menu. Expanding the window or clicking the avatar reveals the same menu you need. This profile area is where ClickUp groups personal preferences, so you can tailor your experience without affecting anyone else's setup. Now, click Themes. Within the profile menu, find the Themes or Appearance option. This is the dedicated spot for visual customization. It typically sits alongside other personal settings, so if you see a small list, scan for the word Themes. Once you open it, you'll see the controls that determine how ClickUp looks on your screen. Here is where you can customize everything. Feel free to select whichever themes you prefer. You'll usually be able to choose between light and dark modes, and sometimes a system-based option that follows your device setting. If accent colors are available, pick one that complements your workspace and improves readability. A bolder accent can make important elements stand out. A softer tone can reduce visual noise during long work sessions. As you explore, glance at task lists, the sidebar and dashboards to confirm the contrast feels right, especially for text and status colors. If your work stretches into late hours, a darker theme can reduce eye strain. During bright daytime use, a lighter theme may stay clearer. Most changes apply instantly, so you can preview how everything looks as you go. If your role involves a lot of quick scanning, prioritize a theme that keeps labels and priorities obvious at a glance. And if you collaborate across multiple devices, try to match the theme to your environment so it stays consistent and comfortable. Theme settings are typically personal, so you can adjust them anytime without affecting teammates. That's it. Open your ClickUp account, click your profile, click Themes, and customize the look to match your preferences. Enjoy a workspace that's easier on the eyes and tailored to how you work best.